Okay, so we'll start drawing first. So I'll take this plate and take, the tip of the center of the plate and then draw a semicircle first, or say more than a semicircle, how it comes out. Okay. I will take this lemon yellow, and at some places I will just take little water in my brush, and I will take the first layer of the moon. Okay, together. I'll take cadmium yellow and ochre together, and at some places I'll just do a little dab. I don't want to cover that moon, I just want to give that a nice finish. A slight brown, yellow and ochre together, and to just some places keep some lighter shade and the darker shade together to give it a nice finish. Okay, so my moon is ready. I will start drawing my mountain. Try to paint the sky. Please bring it closer so that you have a good view of the paper. Okay. And then I'll take some blue, and I'm taking cobalt blue and some Persian blue together, and then just some dab here and there. As I told you that whenever I draw sky, I don't keep it very even. I make that color to disperse on its own, so that it gives a good, nice, natural look. Yeah, so I'm just drawing, a random sky, just slight blue in shade, just to give it a nice finish. I don't want my background to be blank, so I'm giving a light shade, and as I'm going outward, I'm just merging it with blank, just an empty brush with some water, and just blending it with the paper. I just want that shade to just blend. Yeah, this is how your sky will look like. Brown and ochre yellow, brown and ochre yellow, and some sap green also. Brown will be more, and then I'll just draw a kind of mountain here, and this is the base layer of mountains. I'm just keeping it I've just drawn the outline of the mountain, and then just taking that empty brush and merging it. Take that empty brush and then just merge it. Yeah, and then to take the darker shade, I will take some sap green and blue, Persian blue, sap green, brown together, and then some places of the mountain. That's too much. Let me take more of brown, and then I'll just merge it, because see, the mountain also has some forest in it, and it has some green shades as well, so I want that green shade also to be maintained on a mountain. So I have just used that green also. This is how I've drawn. And this is just the internal layer. We'll be doing the finishing layer the mountain because trees are closer and mountain is far away. Yeah. So I'll take some sap green mixed with Persian blue and brown together. And then I'll straight away, and don't take too much of water for the trees, yeah? And then start drawing it. Green first with yellow. You have to go from your light shade to dark shade. For the lighter shade, I just mixed my cadmium green with some yellow, and I'm taking the viridian green, sap green. Okay. Do my second layer. I'm also drawing smaller trees here. How the tree will look like. Yeah? So I've kept my little portion of mountain visible, and then I'm not covering the entire mountain because I want that mountain also to be visible. And then I'll draw like a small house, as I said. Let me draw a little tiny house. So I'll take my brown mixed with some blue, and I'll just draw a little tiny house here. Some brown.